I made over $200,000 online using one method only: no products, no shipping, no customer support. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly what this method is and how people are making real money with it. Hi everyone, this is Mo Fox. I've been making money online since 2006, and on this channel, I'll teach you real methods to make money online. If you want to know more about my journey, you can click the card above. First, what is CPA? CPA stands for cost per action. Simply put, you get paid when someone takes an action using your link. That action could be installing an app, submitting an email, signing up, filling a form. Let me show you something important. I personally use several CPA platforms, but one of the biggest ones I worked with is OGADS. On this platform alone, I made over $145,000. I also worked with Max Bounty, which is another great CPA network. I'm showing you this so you know one thing. CPA is real. It works. And people are making serious money with it. By the way, if you like real content like this, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Now let's look at CPA from a bird's eye view. Imagine a company that wants more installs for their app. They try Facebook ads, Google ads, but they pay even if no one installs the app. That's expensive and risky. With CPA, the company says, we will only pay when we get a real install. So they go to a CPA network and say, we'll pay $0.25 per install. The network gives marketers an offer: promote this app and earn $0.20 per install. Marketer makes money. Network takes a small profit. Company gets a real user. Sounds fair, right? Here comes the smart part. CPA marketers don't ask users to install apps for nothing. They use content lockers, file lockers, capture lockers. A content locker simply says, install one app to unlock this content. Once the user installs the app, the content unlocks automatically. The content could be a guide, a method, a download, anything valuable. The biggest mistake many CPA marketers make is fake content, like promising free game skins or items that don't exist. That might work short term, but it destroys trust and your accounts. So CPA is very simple. Someone wants an action, a platform connects companies with marketers, marketers promote offers. Users take action and get something in return. A real win-win situation. CPA is a huge business. I personally know people making millions per year from it. This video was just an introduction. If you want me to create full CPA tutorials, step by step, from zero to profit, comment below and let me know. I reply to every comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.